Welcome to our detailed review of the latest technology-packed smartphone, launching on February 22, 2024. This device brings together the power of GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, and LTE networks, making it a versatile choice for users across the globe. Let's dive into the specifics of this remarkable phone. The smartphone boasts a foldable LTPO OLED display, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2200 nits, ensuring vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Its dimensions are impressive, measuring 170 by 75.5 by 7.3 mm when unfolded, and 87.8 by 75.5 by 15.3 mm when folded, making it compact yet spacious. The weight is a light 199G or 202G, ideal for on-the-go use. It's equipped with dual SIM cards, supporting IPX8 dust and water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. For storage, it offers a NM nano memory card slot, allowing for up to 512 GB of additional space. Internally, you have options between 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, and 1 TB with 16 GB RAM, catering to various storage needs. The smartphone runs on Harmony OS 4.0, powered by an octa-core CPU, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. The camera setup is a standout feature, with a triple camera system including a 50MP wide lens, an 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. It also includes a 2MP spectral camera, perfect for low-light photography. The selfie camera is a 10.7MP ultra-wide, offering HDR and panorama features. Video recording supports 4K and 1080p, with gyro EIS for smooth footage. Connectivity is top-notch, with Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG NADAG6 dual band and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connections. It also supports GPS and NFC, ensuring you're always connected and secure. The smartphone lacks a 3.5mm jack, but includes a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support. For sensors, it's equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, gyro, accelerometer, proximity, compass, barometer, and color spectrum sensors. The battery is a LiPo 4520 mAh non-removable unit, promising extended use. It supports 66W wired charging and 40% charge in 20 minutes, along with 40W wireless charging. The smartphone comes in 4 colors: black, purple, white, and gray, and is priced at about 960 EUR. This smartphone is a testament to the advancements in technology, offering a perfect blend of performance, features, and design. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just need a reliable device for daily use, this smartphone has something to offer. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates on the latest tech gadgets. Thank you for watching our review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Until next time, happy unboxing.